Hi Bibi lovers, you're welcome to Bibi's Kitchen. On today's episode, we are going to be making stew and with plantain. Let's get cooking, Bibi lovers. So on our table of ingredients, Bibi lovers, we have our fresh tomato with pepper. We have our onions, ginger, garlic. We have our oil, vegetable oil. We are using goat meat today for protein and chicken. We have our raw rice. We have our bay leaves, our tin tomato. I'm using this sachet one today, and I'm using this brand called Sonia. We have our curry, our cinnamon, our thyme, our paprika, some salt, and the VIP of today, we are going to be adding scent leaf and curry leaf. So let's wash our rice and put it on the fire. And the procedure is very simple. Get a clean pot, put your water in it, then put the water on the fire. While the water boils out, wash your rice, put a little bit of salt. You can add light curry to give it extra color. So you can put a bit of curry inside. And then when it boils over, you add your rice to it. Okay? So you're going to be seeing me doing that now. As you can see, you have removed the starch, so the water is clear now. That's when you know that your rice is clean. All the starch is out and the water is clear. So just give it one more wash, and we are done washing our rice is ready. Let's steam our chicken, right? So we are going to be multitasking. I wash my chicken most of the times. I use lemon and salt because we have to remove all this away from it. Okay, some people don't like skin, so you have to be careful, and you can remove the skin if you don't like the skin. Let's wash our chicken. I'm using no chicken. No chicken. Give it the spiciness we need from the herb, and then I'm gonna put my paprika, my ginger and garlic is coming. Just a pinch. That's it. So we can give it a mix. Keep it clean and tidy, guys. Don't forget, cleanliness is next to godliness. As well. So now we can turn our rice aside. stir. Then we allow it to boil. We have our chicken on the fire. Our rice is on the fire. Now we can prep for our stew. So we're gonna blend this fresh tomato and pepper. Okay, so start prepping for that thing. First, let us clean. You go and finish the rest. What is it? As I put the pepper on the fire. You have to fry the plantain first. How do you want it? Cube or?
Cube.
Hold on, finish your work. Steady. Our chicken is ready. Now just have to fry. We're gonna do deep fry. So since we are having both goat meat, since we are using goat meat and chicken, we are now going to fry plantain first because we can reduce the oil. Okay? So let's